Today, I'm going to be showing you guys an n8n automation that you'll be able to sell to businesses for $10,000. And I'm going to explain to you how it works, how I can actually sell for this price, how to use it, and how to set it all up. So to start off, let me actually show you how it works. It's very simple. So let me just enable the workflow real quick. And now if I open up Telegram, we have an appointment setter bot that you'll be able to sell to any coach or business because this will save them thousands of dollars every single month. It's going to work 24/7 and you can make it say whatever you want. So for example, I'm just going to say hi. And as you see right here, it says, are you a business owner looking to save time and cut costs with AI automations? And I have this specific one for AI automations agency, but you can set it up for any business you want. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that later in this video. So we're just going to keep on responding. And I'm just going to say, yeah, I do. It's asking me to tell them a little bit more about their business and all the bottlenecks I have. And for this example, I'm just going to say social media. And it just responded again. I'm just going to say yes. And you guys can pause and read whatever this says. I'm just going to skim through it real quick. And finally, it responded and it said, fantastic. It's great that we can speak to the decision maker. With our custom AI automations, we can help you optimize your content. And finally, send a link to the calendar where they'll be able to book an appointment. And this is the automation you'll be able to sell for $10,000 to any coach or business. And now that I showed you guys how it actually works, I'm going to show you how to set it all up inside of n8n. But real quick, let me just run you through how everything works real quick. So right here, we have the process Telegram request section. So it detects when a message is sent and checks if it's a voice message or a text message. And after it detects that, if it's a voice message, it gets the voice and then it transcribes it inside of OpenAI. And then it sends that prompt to the AI agent. And after that, the AI agent generates a response. And then after it generates the response, it outputs it back to us. And this is such a great workflow because all these agencies and coaches spend multiple thousands of dollars a month paying for appointment setters that always slack and aren't doing a great job. But this one works 24/7 and it does a great job. And it only costs a few dollars a day to even operate. So now that I showed you guys how everything works, I'm going to show you how to set it all up now. And real quick, if you want to skip all the hard work of setting it up, then you can join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And you'll get access to all my workflows that you can literally copy and paste inside of n8n, which will save you hours of building this all out. So press the first link in the description down below and get access to all my workflows today. So guys, if you got access to my workflows, you'll get this workflow called like the Telegram appointment setter. So literally just copy and paste inside of n8n just like so. And now I'm going to show you guys how to set all the APIs up. And this is the simple part of this. To start off, we're going to have to set up the Telegram. So to do that, open up Telegram and then search for the bot father up here in the top left. And after you find the bot father, type /new bot. And after you type it, it's going to ask for the name. And you can name this bot whatever you want. But for this example, I'm just going to call it the TG appointment setter, as in Telegram appointment setter. And then for the username, it must end in bot. So I'm just going to call it TG appointment setter bot. And now it just send us back a token. So we're going to copy this. And guys, do not share this token with anyone because if they get a hold of it, they'll be able to hack your Telegram bot, which would not be good at all. So to add this token, what we're going to have to do is double click on this Telegram right here and then click right up here and press new credentials and then paste in the access token right here and then press save. And after that, select the account. And we're going to go to all these other Telegram ones and double click on them just like so. Make sure you select your account, but it should automatically select it. And just like that, they're all selected. But now we need to add the OpenAI. And after we add the OpenAI, I'm going to show you how to make a custom AI agent prompt for the business you're setting this up for. So go to platform.openai.com. On the left side of your screen, you're going to go to the billing section. And once you click on that, press add a credit balance. And I say add around $10 or so. But if you're doing this at a mass scale and you're getting over like 100 messages a day, you may want to add like $100 because every few times someone talks to this bot, it's going to spend around 1 cent. So just press add a credit balance and add as much as you want. And after you add to the credit balance, go over here to the left side and press API keys. And then in the top right, press create new secret key. And then you can name it whatever you want. And after you name it, select your project and press create new secret key. And once you have the key right here, just copy it. And once again, do not share this key with anyone because if they get a hold of this key, they'll be able to spend all of your credits, which would not be good at all. So copy that key and head back to n8n. And once you're inside, if you double click on this one right here, and then click up here and press create new credentials, and then paste in the API key and press save. After you save it, we're going to do the same thing and double click on this one and then select your account. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make the AI agent prompt for whatever business you're making this for. So if we double click on here right now, we already have a prompt set in. So I'm just going to copy this prompt and I'm going to paste this prompt into ChatGPT. And I'm just going to say, change this prompt for my business that sells life insurance. And then you would type all the details about like how much it costs, what the name of your business is, a phone number they can call, etc. So for example, I just put the name as Life Care and it costs $20 a month. So we're just going to send it just like so. It should rewrite us a prompt. And guys, if you want to be very specific, I would say literally write every single thing about your business. And if you write every single thing, you'll craft like the perfect prompt. So we're just going to copy this right here. And guys, one more thing in the prompt, make sure to add like a county link or some link where they can contact you. And honestly, maybe even a phone number. But there should be one clear goal for this bot, and it's to book appointments, whether it's on a phone call, DMs, or a calendar link. So copy your prompt and head back to n8n. And now that you're here, paste in the prompt, and then you can minimize this. And if we activate the workflow, it should work. We're going to go back to Telegram and test this out right now. So I'm going to go back to our bot. I'm just going to say hi. And it said, hello, how can I assist you today? Are you looking for ways to secure your family's financial future with affordable life insurance? And I'm just going to say yes. And I'm just going to keep saying yes right here. And eventually it's going to send the calendar link. And here it is right here. We officially created an appointment setter that you can sell to businesses or coaches for $10,000, guys. And once again, if you want this workflow and you want to skip all the hard work of building this out, then press the first link in the description down below and join my group where you get access to this workflow, plus all my other workflows, and more get added every single day. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below what workflows you want to see next. And don't forget to press this video on the screen right now. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.